Somebody said to just kick him down the road, so goodbye.
T&T's garage, guys. In this week's episode, we're just getting right into it. There's a black widow on one piece chair. I stabbed it. Kind of weld on it. Turn it into a puddle. Oh, that stinks.
Look at this graph.
Yeah, buddy. Better, huh? Just a few tabs off of it. Like little pimples everywhere on here. Like, you know, just wherever they wanted to put it, they just put it and they just take them off. And
A few inches later.
I'm dead today.
I thought we were doing one piece.
No, it's gonna be hard.
Oh, so we changed the plan.
Yeah, so just do like how you did before. This line? That was awful. We're not experienced. Oh, shoot. I screwed that up. Whoa. Whoa, what did we do here? Dang, we're good at this game.
That was awful. We were so better at it yesterday.
gotta build a bracket. Trying to make sure everything's gonna fold up. See, that doesn't work, so we fix that. That's funny. Hopefully it'll make the truck go. It's a go-go pedal.
Yeah, you plug it in like a wire. Where you plug it in?
It's still awful. Oh, I ripped it today. Alright, flip it upside down.
Arts and crafts with your sister.
Yeah, if you do it in like 6 pieces, it's so much easier.
We tried to do it in one big piece, and that's where we went wrong.
Should we put it on the table? I don't have to bend over.
Why? What about your back? Is that what you're saying?
Back hurting. My back.
Where's my Sharpie? I'll just keep bending over. My back's fine.
Keep going.
Oh dear.
Wow.
Wow.
Hold up, wait a minute. We got one spot. Looks like monkey dog.
Dog.
Should go talk about everything else you've done with your truck.
Just swapped an L5P Duramax in it. That's about it. Nothing else has really changed. Do that one.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to.
Do that one.
You're gonna have to trim it. You don't want to trim it or what?
I just want to. It's called recycling. Yeah, but save the planet one piece of cardboard at a time.
You're the last person that would say that kind of thing.
Look at that. Oh, perfect template. Oh gosh.
No, something happened.
Oh no.
No.
Something happened. Or architect. Oh, oh. It made it back. Okay, hopefully it doesn't break off. To get your foot to go from gas to brake, you're gonna have to like pick it way up to get it to.
I know, but you don't want your gas pedal clear up here either, because then your leg's gonna be all.
Yeah, so the brake might just get.
I think we just readjust that.
It's because that bar right there.
We'll just build your.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to adjust the brake. Because it'd be nice to have them like at least somewhat close, so your foot's not just gonna slide under and you go to the brakes. You know what I mean? And fall under the pedal. It's not the prettiest weld in the world, but it'll do.
Thanks, sir.
Back to cardboard crap. There's some pretty sheet metal. Yeah, taking brother-in-law applications, you gotta at least be able to know how to pull lift kit on a truck. It can't be a Ford.
It would just be like.
Yep, do whatever you want to do there. It's on you. You got this.
You feel the pressure?
Yeah, I hate when Dad says that. Now I know how you feel.
If I don't have this.
I'm just practicing for my truck, so I'll be like professional by that time.
Yeah. That's what Dad did.
Practice.
That's what Dad did. And then we built
just
this
saying,
truck,
I'm
and then
just
we're back
saying.
on my truck.
I'm just saying it because I know it bothers you.
I'm always a test dummy.
You should put the brother-in-law application thing in there. I think it's funny.
I'm also looking for sister-in-law applications. He'll be graduated in May, so after that, use 3 ladies.
What's your stipulations, though?
I don't know. You have to be funny. Also, you have to be able to.
Very hot. Sorry.
Just very hot. She doesn't need to have a brain, apparently. That's what it says.
With lots of money. Spend your.
Exactly. Done with it. I don't want to deal with it anymore. Welding a little battery box in here. This oily stuff is nasty. It's burning off his steaks.
I love wiring. This is not my favorite. I can't wait for it to be over.
We're just scuffing the front end because then when we put the front end back together, it's done.
Just got done cleaning his wheels. We have all the jack stands taken and put under his truck. It's all sitting on jack stands right now. Headed over to the gas station for the new wheels and tires. Jeez, it's one of those mornings, so don't get like too rowdy now.
Somebody said to just kick him down the road, so goodbye.
To all my haters, they're gone. They're gone.
Bye.
Don't hurt yourself.
Just tilt the tilt deck down. What are you doing? It's not worth a hernia.
This guy. That's funny. B-roll of Talon.
That is sick. Okay, well, let's move these POS Dodge rigs out of the way. Come on.
Talon, these aren't your wheels.
No. POV, break into Emerson Nix's trailer and you get all your rims. Low key though, Brock dropped the ball. Now I'm here picking up my rims by myself. It's got that. All loaded down, freshies. Dude, that went on like money. Whew. Changed the whole look. That's nuts.
Put the back ones on. I want to see the back. Oh my gosh! It's a whole different. Ew! Yes. Look at it. Weird. Oh, that's simple. You need with that block?
What do you have in the rear right now?
5. That's so sick.
It's fire.
Yes, sir.
I won't touch it back
Wish we would have put a level on it before and then after, but
It's straight now. These are my living room.
oh, that's what we're working on right now. We're putting wheels and tires on it.
Oh, well, it'd be nice to see that. They do a nice job.
Oh yeah, we're getting it slowly but surely. This is a big project.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tell them all hi for me, and I love you all to pieces.
Hopefully it drives pretty good on these big old Willy Bobs. Is that a sound?
Your shop's really big.
My what?
Your shop's really big.
Oh yeah. Thousands of square feet. 3 stories.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You put that there to make me fall. Guys get that on video? Oh! What is on the ground? Better not be on my frame.
All of that frame. You're gay.
What? You're gay.
You called me gay. Yeah. So you can be done with
Well, don't you want to see them stuff? Because I do. We're just going out in the garage.
that. Squatty potty.
I don't know if I can take this guy serious anymore. It's definitely lower. It has to be lower. It's at
It
least
is.
2 inches lower.
2.5 inch lift in the rear and 6 in the front. It's not squatting.
It's not squatting yet. My keys are cranked all the way down. I've got like a 1,200, 1,300 pound Duramax sitting in the front.
She ain't 1,300.
Yes, she is. I'll bet money.
She's like,
The
she's
304 almost
like,
fell over, shaking it up.
Mike Cummins tipped it over worse than this did. Listen, you boomed all the way out and
Oh,
just
crap.
sat there like this, like it was nothing. It has to only be like,
It has to be only like 600 pounds.
oh, I'll give it like 1,000.
Alright guys, it's been a minute since I've talked about what we have been doing on my truck, but I'm going to kind of go over some things, kind of show you what we've been doing. I got some new wheels for it. They're 20 by 12 Liberty Forge 15s on a 38 inch Nitto mud wrap tire. This is when I have money. In here, we ended up making all new brake lines going down and around, so that way we can get rid of the ABS. So if you just got portioning valve up to the master cylinder, so the braking won't have ABS anymore. Ended up having to make a custom bracket to fit this old air compressor on top of here, and then we ended up having to get a longer serpentine belt, sits a bit higher. We ended up running our whole engine harness and our ECM TCM harness, so we've got our computers mounted under my cab, kind of in this inner fender. This inner fender is completely custom. We ended up taking a square body, so 73 to 87 fender, and mocking it in with the 66 fender. Gives it more of a round look on the inside, gives me more of a cleaner look than the way the 66 was. Ran batteries underneath the bed. There's a whole battery box under there, so I'm not gonna have two huge batteries up in here. I've just got these little buses here, so if we ever have to just jump power, we can just grab them here. We ended up doing a full custom Y bridge, so lopping all the emissions off, doing just a straight there, so I don't have that whole valve there. Whirly kit for this, full air intake. Built some custom valve covers that are off of powder coat right now. I think we're just gonna go on this front. We got to get my front balance in so we can get the bumper support all made up again. It's completely different up here. The intercooler and radiator do fit in here. We're just kind of working it through as we go. All right, in here we've been doing a lot too. We ended up ordering a painless wiring harness, so that way we stripped all the Suburban fuse block, all that extra out. So now we're just working on rerunning all the wires, all the headlights, turn signals, brake lights, running lights, horn, like all that extra has to get reran, so that way it's all in its own fuse block and not on the Suburbans. But we're kind of just working that through here. And then moving on down here, we ended up installing a fast 165 to fuel it, and then I ended up building track bars. They go from that mount to back there. Those are at powder coat right now. Got drive shafts are lengthened and shortened. Front had to get lengthened, the rear had to get shortened, just because that whole Allison combo is just way longer than the 480 was. Then we ended up scuffing the whole frame and then recoating it, so that way it's all just clean. What's up, Schminks?